What do you do if you're celebrating, having a little party, and you have some vegetarians coming over? You're making some snacks. What wine do you serve? Hey, welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. I will try to stop banging the table and making the camera vibrate. We're here to help you know more and drink better. And today, I wanted to talk a little bit about Gruner Veltliner. So I think we've done one of these before on the channel. It's a lesser known white wine that really, if you enjoy a Sauvignon Blanc, you'll like Gruner Veltliner. So I encourage you to get out and try. I'm gonna pour a tiny bit just because I don't have that much left in this bottle. Gruner is mostly from Austria, and this is no different. So this guy is the 2021 Landhaus Mayer Gruner Veltliner. So this is one of your more reasonable Gruners on the market. I want to say it was like $12 or $13, and Gruners are very reliable, but they do vary a bit. So if you're able to find some Gruner under $15, they're gonna have all the hallmarks of a good Gruner Veltliner. Bright, acidic, some citrus, peaches, a nuttiness, perhaps some herbaceousness. These are high acid wines. What I think you'll find is that as you get up the price scale, the acidity is punchier, and the finish sticks with you a little longer. This was a really, really good Gruner. I figured I would devote an episode to it to refresh you on the merits of the grape. And for that matter, just, oh, that's so nice. Wines, forget about the grape. I mean, don't forget about the grape, but forget about the grape for a minute. Wines from Austria are so underrated, and they're generally pretty reasonable, and they drink really well. So, don't shy away from the Austrian flag on the top of the cap. So this Gruner, and you can see it's very light in color. This Gruner is very peachy. I get a little bit of a lime and a lime zest in there, but peaches are dominant. And there's definitely an herbal note here. I'm thinking it's more of thyme. It's a lighter herb. Think thyme, oregano, maybe marjoram. The acidity is nice and punchy. It's going to cut through any sort of like fried food. This stuff is great for. So perfect as a wine where you're having some appetizers. Perfect for a wine if you're having some vegetarians over and you've made a whole bunch of veggie treats. And just a wine that frankly is underserved. So that's a win for you and me, because we know the secrets that Gruner Veltliner is a great white wine alternative when you're tired of just seeing the same old Sauvignon Blanc, Pinot Grigios on the table. So get out there, make a 2023 resolution to drink a ton of Austrian wine, and you'll be a better person for it. I will see you next time, and cheers, folks.